That's enough. Mr. Lee, you and I need to settle this once and for all.
Are you serious?
That's serious. You stole my project and now it's payback time. Once I raise my hand, it will be too late for you to back out.
Fine. You want to admit defeat now, or do I have to make you?
I know I should stop in this, but am I the only one excited?
This is just embarrassing. You alright?
I'm fine.
Hope you well. See you tomorrow.